Tooth pain can strike unexpectedly, demanding immediate relief. Here's a quick step-by-step guide to using a potent home remedy. Step 1. Clove application. Cloves, a trusted age-old remedy. Take a whole clove. Place it directly against the sore tooth, gently biting down to keep it in place. Step 2. Clove oil. Alternatively, use clove oil. Dab a cotton ball with a few drops. Apply it to the affected area for instant numbing relief. Step 3. Saltwater rinse. For added relief, try a saltwater rinse. Mix half a teaspoon of salt into a glass of warm water. Swish it around your mouth for 30 seconds, then spit. These remedies can offer temporary relief. But always consult a dentist for persistent pain. Seek professional care for lasting relief.